a cell can supply current of 0.80 amp and 0.40 amp through a 2 ohms and a 5 ohms resistor respectively. Calculate the internal resistance of the cell. Now observe from the questions. From the question, we have 2 cells because we have 2 current and 2 external resistor. The 2 ohms there and the 5 ohms are the 2 external resistor. So what that means, we are going to have 2 circuits. Now observe. Now considering the 2 circuits that we have there, figure A is a representation of a current that is 0.80 amp, which was supplied through the 2 ohms, and figure B is 0.40 amp, which was supplied through the 5 ohms external resistor. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do, since we are asked to find the internal resistance of the circuit, so what we are going to do, we now select R, small letter R, be the internal resistance. The internal resistance, that's of the circuit. Okay, let small letter R be the internal resistance of the circuit, and we recall that I is equal to what? The EMF supply over the external resistance plus the internal resistance. Then considering the circuit individually, that is from figure A now, from our figure A, we are going to have the current supply in figure A is what? 0.80 amp equal to, the EMF there is not given, E over the external resistor in that figure A is what? Is our 2 ohms. So we have 2 plus R. We call it equation 1. The same thing from figure B, from figure B, we are going to have the current supply in figure B is what? 0.40 amp equal to E over the external resistance, the resistor is 5 plus R. We call this equation 2. Alright. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to divide equation 1 by equation 2. Alright, so what we are going to have is 0.80 equal to E over 2 plus R. This one divide by 0.40. This side E divide by 5 plus R. Okay, so if I divide this one, 0.8 divide by 4, this aspect here, I'm going to have 2.0 equal to, now I have two fractions here, okay? I can rewrite this fraction as e over 2 plus r divided by e over 5 plus r. Alright, so the principle is, if I'm dividing two fractions, what am I going to do? I'm going to reciprocate one side, which I'm going to have 2.0 equal to e over 2 plus r. Now I will change this division sign, this sign of division, to multiplication, times, then this one will go up, this one will now come down, times 5 plus r divided by e. Alright, so it is at this point that e will cancel e. So what I have is 2.0 equal to 5 plus r divided by 2 plus r. Okay. Alright, the next thing is we are going to cross multiply. You cross multiply, that is, this one will multiply this. This one is over 1, so this one will multiply this. So what I have is 2, open bracket, 2 plus r, close my bracket, equal to 5 plus r. Alright, so I'll open this bracket, so I have 2 multiply this, 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 times r is plus 2r equal to 5 plus r. So we collect like terms now. Okay, we collect like terms. I have 2r here and I have r here, so I'll bring r to this side, which is going to turn to minus. I'll carry 4 to this side, will also turn to minus. So I'm going to have 2r minus r equal to 5 minus 4. So 2r minus r is equal to r. Then 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 ohms. So this is our internal resistance of the cell. Okay, thank you. Please do well to share, subscribe, like, and recommend the video for your family and friends. Thank you.